What's up, everyone? Welcome to Math with Cowboy J. I'm Cowboy J, showing you math the fun the easy way. Remember to follow me on YouTube at Math with Cowboy J and on TikTok at Math with Cowboy J. Hit that like, follow, subscribe. Let's get into it. A parallelogram is a shape where the opposite angles are the same and the opposite lines are the same. So the area of a parallelogram is base times height. In other words, B times H. So, so the inside is the height, the bottom is the base. The base is usually a straight line on the grid. Talk about that. So if my base is 8 and my height is 4, my formula again is base times height, which is simply going to be the area equals 8 times 4. The area is 32, and let's just say this was centimeters. And since we're talking about area, it's always squared. So again, base times height. That's how you find the area of a parallelogram when it's off grid paper, which means it's not on grid paper. It's just a regular drawing. Let's get another one. Our vertical line will be this way. And the base and the height, when they meet together, gives you a 90-degree angle. So this could be my base of 10 and my height of 6. Base, height. And again, the height would be the vertical line, not the slanted lines. So again, base, which is 10, times height, which is 6, which gives you 60. Again, let's say it's, this case is inches. Inches and area is always squared. That's how you find the area and the area of a parallelogram off grid paper. Now the sides, if you want to find the perimeter, just throw it in there. The perimeter is nothing more than all the numbers on the outside added up. So in this case, let's say this was 10 because they're opposite. Let's say this is 5. So the perimeter, in case you need to know this, would be, you can go I would just go side plus side plus side plus side, which would go 5 plus 5 plus 10 plus 10. Then I would just go 10 plus 20, and that would be 30 inches, and the perimeter is not square. So just add up all the sides. Remember, this side and this side are opposite. So if I only got one number over here, if I got a 5 here, it's a 5 here. If I got a 10 here, it's a 10 here, even if the opposite numbers are not showing. So that's how you find the perimeter of a parallelogram. Or any questions? All right, now let's find this when it's on grid paper. Still the same formula. It's now just been drawn on grid paper. Let's walk through some examples of those. We'll take this. So now it's on grid paper. So when it's on grid paper, you want the base to be a number along the grid line, a line kind of across the grid line. So in this case, the formula hasn't changed. It's still area is still base times height. So let's go with the marker so it'll show up better. Let's go with, let's try this purple. See what this purple can get going for us. So it's still area is still base times height. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna count the squares along the grid line. That's gonna be our base. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's our base. So our base over here is 4. Now our height is the distance from one side of the grid line to the other. So we're going to just start here and go down and count 1, 2, 3, 4. So our height is 4. So area equals 4 times 4, which is 16 units squared. Let's go to our next one. Again, the area is still base times height. Again, we want the number, we want our base to be the number across the grid line, not at a slope. So it's going to count 1, 2. So that's our base. Our height is going to be from the top of the boom to the other side. Then we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our height is 6. Our base is 2. So our area equals 2 times 6. Our area equals 12 units. And then again with the area, it's going to be squared. And we're going to do another example. So I'm going to take this one. I'm going to move it over here to the side so that it's still visible. I'm going to do another one. So again, the formula hasn't changed. It's still going to be area still equals base times height. So again, we're going to count along the grid line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's going to be our base. Again, we're going to count the grid line from top to bottom to get our height. So again, I probably should have used another color to distinguish the two. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is going to be our height. So we have an area, we have a base of 5 times a height of 6. So we have an area of 30 units squared, because each square is 1 unit. And our last one, again, area equals base times height. Again, we're going to use our line across the grid. I'm just going to count 1, 2, 3. So that's That's our base. And we're gonna count going down from one side to the other. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now it's going to be our height. So area here equals base of 3 times the height of 9. Our area here is going to be 27 units squared. So this is how you find the area of a perimeter on grid. This is with Math with Cowboy J. Until next time, love you guys. Peace.